Hello, happy Sunday to everyone. So I just want to come on and do a really quick video with you. I am going to share some information with you regarding hair thinning. So this is my customer and she has some hair thinning around the edges, only around her edges. And she has expressed that her hair thinning is genetics. So on her father's side of the family, they have hair thinning. However, I just want to share that with hair thinning, it can also be hormonal as well. And she didn't mention to me if she was experiencing any hormonal changes. So my course of action is that it's because of her genetics. So with that said, what we'll do is that every week we'll do a treatment, which will help stimulate her follicles and ensure that her hair can grow back, so that her hair will not thin as much as it was thinning before. And she doesn't have a lot of hair thinning. I'm not going to show you a lot, just around the edges. So you can see this side, the other side is similar, and it's only in this area right here. So the process that I normally do with my customers is that I will detox her scalp first with a detox shampoo. After I detox her scalp, then I will go in and I will detox her scalp with a exfoliating scrub. Okay, just to cleanse the scalp, and I will only cleanse the scalp right here in the front ear because that's where her problem area is. And then after that, I will go in and shampoo it again, and then we will move forward with a conditioner. So all of the products that I use are all natural. They're holistic hair products and sulfate free, and the products promote hair stimulation. So it stimulates your hair follicles so that your hair can grow as long as your hair follicles haven't been damaged. And at this point, her hair follicles haven't been damaged. She doesn't have any scarring. Okay, so we'll be back